Hi friends, it's Miss Linda. So today I'm going to show you a really quick video on how to access our school library checkout system. This way you can find out which books are available to check out and which books are not available to check out. Let's get started. I'm going to show you two ways today. This is the first one. Type this in your address bar that's located at the top of your browser window. Now here is another way. Go to your Modesto City Schools homepage and click on Students. Once you click on Students, all these wonderful apps will pop up. Now click Library Catalog. You'll then get this page. On the upper left-hand corner, click where it says Home. Then you'll get this page. This page shows all of the schools in our district. Make sure you click your school. I'm going to click Enslin Elementary School just to show you. You'll then get this page. I went ahead and typed in Dr. Seuss. After I click Enter, all Dr. Seuss books or books containing the words Dr. Seuss will pop up on the next page. Here it is. All books containing Dr. Seuss will show up. On the right side where I circled red says 1 of 1 available. This shows I have 1 and 1 available. Do you see where I circled green? It says 0 of 1 available. This means we have 1 in the library, but it may be lost, checked out, or misplaced. So it shows 0 of 1 available. Now, if you look on the left side where it has all of the Dr. Seuss books, see where I have it in purple? This shows the accelerated reader level of that particular book. For example, if I was looking for a 2.1 book, the second one down, Dr. Seuss's ABC, would be a perfect choice for me. This one shows it is at accelerated reader level 2.1 and it's worth 0.5 points. It's worth half a point. If you're wanting to check out this library book, you're going to fill out this form. Make sure you put your name and your teacher's name on it. Do you see where it says 1, 2, 3? You're going to write in the title and author of the books you would like to check out. For example, on number 1, I would put Dr. Seuss's ABC by Dr. Seuss as my first choice because that's the book I really want to check out. Then for number 2 and number 3, you can write down the next 2 books you would like to check out if that one's not available. If you don't know what book you would like to check out, but you need a reading book in your AR reading level, go ahead and mark the box down at the bottom. This says, please select a book for me in my AR reading level or color. You can then put in your AR reading level. For example, I put down 2.1. Or if you don't know what level you are and you only know your color, you can put down your color. For example, 2.1 would be green. This lets me know what reading level you are, so I can select the perfect book for you.